Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna see how to change your background on Zoom. Firstly, during your Zoom meeting, click the up arrow next to stop video button at the bottom of the screen. Select choose virtual background from the drop-down menu. In the Virtual Background tab, choose a preloaded background or click the plus icon to upload a custom image or video from your computer. If you're using a green screen, check the option that says I have a green screen for better quality. Now just preview and apply. Check the preview to ensure the background looks good, then close the settings. And you're done. Your new background will be applied instantly without interrupting the meeting. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.